Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's video, we will be reopening Aureal preset by request. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Note: this is just a sample password. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset. Aureal preset was made 2 years ago, and I just made some revisions from the old version, so I wouldn't be showing you my workflow anymore. Color grading inspired by 𝗬𝗏𝗀𝗏's old feed. First thing first, let me show you how the old version looked like. And this is the improved version. Here's a quick before and a quick after. Let's go ahead and try this preset. I always advise you guys that play with the basic settings after applying the preset. Your photos are different from mine,